Dropsuite is a cloud backup company that helps small businesses back up their websites, emails, servers, and mobile all in the cloud. We were founded in 2012, headquartered in Singapore, and we've seen tremendous growth in the past 3 years from 0 to more than 100,000 paid users. We are very much a global company. Our growth has been coming from mostly North America, Australia, Japan, and Singapore. And then we have barely scratched the surface when it comes to the potential of the company, when it comes to catering to hundreds of millions of small and medium businesses around the world. Our go-to-market strategy is all around distributing our services at scale, working with some of the biggest IT service providers around the world like GoDaddy, Ingram Micro, GMO Internet, who would integrate our services into their infrastructure and sell it to their millions and millions of users around the world. The beauty of our service is that it is intuitive, easy to use, affordable. It's one click to provision and one click to restore when you need the data back, whenever you get hacked or whenever you have a hardware problem in your office. Even though we have more than 100,000 paid users so far, we have barely scratched the surface when it comes to the size of the total addressable market. There are at least 125 million small businesses around the world online, and 2 million of them are in Australia alone. Our plan is to expand our products and our scope to reach out to these millions of SMEs around the world, working with top IT service providers like GoDaddy, Ingram Micro, and GMO Internet in Japan. We are first to market when it comes to offering cloud backup applications for small businesses. All of our other competitors are more traditional software vendors that really focus on the large companies. We came into the equation and looked at the pain points of small businesses, and we realized that most of small businesses are not IT savvy, and they don't have the budgets and resources to have IT departments in their companies. So we came up with these extremely simple and intuitive and affordable solutions so they can back up their data and restore it from any point in the world. So whether you come to your office and you find a problem and you restore, or you're sitting down on the beach in Bali, you can do it all the same. We have seen this tremendous uptake in demand for our services, but because we have been offering our services through a very strong distribution network of resellers all around the world. These resellers have millions of SMEs already in their product portfolio, and all we're doing is offering our backup solution as a value-added service to be sold along with the hosting and email services that these service providers are providing. And these are all over the world, very global IT service providers. Some of them are the biggest in the world, like GoDaddy with 14 million users, GMO Internet with 8 million users. These are signed users, these are signed partners who are actively selling our services to their customer base. I'm Charif Ansari. I'm the managing director of Dropsuite. Before taking over Dropsuite in late 2013, I used to work at Google, and I helped grow the Asia Pacific team for Google from 5 employees to 250 employees. Before that, I've taken different assignments working with Dell in the United States and in Asia. In China, I helped build the marketing team there, as well as in Korea and in Japan. We have a very solid C-level team. Combined experience of the top 3 people in the company is a total of 60 years. CTO has been building companies from scratch for the past 25 years. Chief Operating Officer and Head of Sales has been in the IT service provider industry, selling and marketing and doing business development for the past 15 or 20 years. The incoming non-executive chairman of Dropsuite is Theo Hanarakis. He has taken Melbourne IT from a $10 million company back in 2002 all the way to a $200 million revenue company in 2013. He has retired now, and I look forward to him as being our chairman and also being my mentor to help take Dropsuite to the next level. We are raising $5 to $8 million as we speak. Even if we raise the lower end of the raise, which is 5 million, we'll still have about $4.5 million to invest in the growth. The most important thing is to use the funds to create a world-class sales and marketing organization servicing our IT service providers around the world. We also want to continue investing in tech and building products that our partners and small businesses need to protect their digital assets in the cloud. When it comes to small cap tech companies around Asia Pacific, we see ASX as absolutely the most viable alternative to VC money. It's a very well trodden path. We've seen a lot of companies who have successfully listed on the ASX. Plus, Australia itself is, I think, a very interesting market for our services. So we found that listing on the ASX will give us the liquidity we need, will make investors happy because now they have a liquid investment as opposed to an investment from private investment from VC money. It will also give us access to the market and gives us the credibility when dealing with the biggest IT service providers in Australia.